I will talk about how can you enable this sign on or how you can do that on your TeamViewer app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on your name here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You can here to push notifications for trusted devices. Click here in this sign. So like you see here, this color show for us that's may push notifications for trusted devices here enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable this sign here. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.